Hey everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to completely transform your taskbar in Windows 11, from its default look, to a sleek, customized design just like this. So without further delay, let's dive right in. First, let's tidy up the desktop and taskbar. We'll start by scaling the desktop icons to small and unpinning any unnecessary apps and widgets. Same for the taskbar. Next, scroll down to taskbar behaviors and ensure that the combine taskbar buttons and hide labels option is set to always. Now let's enable system dark mode. Right-click the desktop and select personalize. Go to the color section and switch to dark mode. You can also enable transparency effects and set the accent color to automatic for a sleek look. Once your desktop and taskbar are organized, it's time to start customizing. To get the taskbar look that we want, we will use the RoundedTB app. I've provided the link in the description below. Head over to the RoundedTB GitHub page and scroll down until you see the assets section. Download the 7-zip file. Once it's downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder and extract it. And place the file somewhere safe. I'll use the C drive directory to avoid accidental deletion. After extracting, go into the RoundedTB folder that we extracted and find the roundedtb.exe file. Before launching it, right-click the file, select Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program as an administrator. This is crucial because the app can be buggy, and we'll need to configure it to run automatically on startup later on the video. Now that everything's set, go ahead and run RoundedTB. You'll be greeted by a welcome message from the developer. Give it a quick read. Then click OK to move on to the main window, where you can start customizing your taskbar. You can tweak the margins and corner radius to your liking, but I'm sticking with the default settings, since they look great as is. The key thing to change is unchecking the when Alt plus Tab or Win plus Tab is pressed, Restore Taskbar option. Also be sure to enable dynamic mode, and click Apply. If your taskbar glitches, don't panic, it's a quick fix. Just right-click the desktop. Go to Personalize. Scroll down until you see the taskbar option. And adjust the taskbar alignment to left, then back again to center. If the problem persists, simply close and reopen RoundedTB to refresh the settings. This should solve any glitches. We're almost done. The last step is configuring RoundedTB to run automatically at startup. To do this, find the RoundedTB icon in your system tray. Right-click and select Run on Startup. Now, sometimes the app doesn't start automatically, so to make sure it does, we'll use the Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler by searching for it in the Start menu. Click Create Task. Name the task anything you like. I'll call mine RoundedTB. And check Run with highest privileges. Next, go to the Triggers tab and create a new trigger. Set it to begin the task at logon. Then click OK. In the Actions tab, click New. And browse for the RoundedTB.exe file that we extracted earlier. Select it, click Open, then OK. Now in the Conditions tab, uncheck the options under the Power segment. And finally, in the Settings tab, uncheck the two options at the bottom. Click OK to save everything. To finish, select the task you just created and click Run to ensure RoundedTB launches properly on boot. Before ending this video, I'll change the background image to my liking for a better look. And that's it. You've now customized your Windows 11 taskbar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.